kids, I'm Run. I help you move fast on your feet, like when you're playing tag or racing with friends. You can spell me R-U-N. Hello, I'm Jump. I let you leap into the air, like when you bounce on a trampoline or hop over a puddle. You spell my name J-U-M-P. Hey there, I'm Right. I help you put your thoughts on paper, whether you're jotting down a story, a letter, or your homework. You spell me W-W-R-I-T-E. Hi, I'm Speak. I help you use your voice to talk, whether you're telling a story, asking a question, or singing a song. You can spell me S-P-E-A-K. Hello, kids. I'm Drive. I let you control a car, just like how your parents take you places. Maybe one day you'll drive too. You spell my name D-R-I-V-E-E. Hey there. I'm Build. I help you make things like when you stack blocks or put together a model. You spell me B-U-I-L-D. Hello, I'm Throw. I let you toss things through the air like when you play catch or throw a frisbee. You spell my name T-H-R-O-W. Hi, kids. I'm Climb. I help you go up something tall like when you scale a tree or climb a playground ladder. You spell me C-L-I-M-B. Hello, I'm Cook. I help you make food, whether you're baking cookies, stirring soup, or grilling a sandwich. You spell my name C-O-O-K.
Run, jump, write, speak, drive, swim, build, throw, climb, cook.